Skinny, saya dia nak skinny. Ayo. What's the secret? Fatima, come salam Auntie Dina. She's mommy's old friend. She's not old, my old friend. Come. Salam Auntie Dina. Come. Cute lah you. Oh, say thank you. Salam. Auntie Dina, yeah. Auntie Dina gave you something. Should we see? What is it? Should we see? Wow. Very cool, right? What is it? Oh, it's a dress. Wow, it's your favorite color, pink. You like it or not? You want to say thank you? I don't know what it is. Six. I saw you, you're quite tall. She's quite tall. Never mind, she's lama. Okay, dah.
I'm 6 years old.
Oh, she's 6 years old, dia kata. Come, take picture of Auntie Dina, come.
I want to play.
Okay, come. Together. Come here, you go inside. Amanda, Hazel. Best friend, tulang.